Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this tutorial video, I'm going to be guiding you through how to turn off hints in Royal Match. If you are stuck in your game, you will be offered hints while playing Royal Match. If you want to disable this hint over here, all you need to do is to first of all launch open Royal Match application on your mobile device and from the home screen, go to the top right corner and tap on the gear button. This will open up the settings menu where you will need to find hint. Now, turn off the hint button by tapping on it and make sure that it is highlighted as off. Once you turn off hint, you can now get back to your game and you will not be shown any kind of a hint even if you are stuck in a level on Royal Match. And that is how you can easily turn off hints in Royal Match in just a couple of steps. I hope the video was helpful to you. If it was, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more Royal Match tips and tricks. I'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned. Till then.